Hi, this is a video to show that this camera is working and also to show the details of it. This camera is going to be for sale on eBay. It's a Sears KS Super with the lens auto Sears 50 millimeters. The aperture goes from 16 to 2, and that's the focus length. On here you can see that you can set exposure compensation, and then here you got the ISO dial. I have it set up for 100. I believe it's our shooting modes for it. This camera seems to be very basic. Not You don't have to worry about too much of setting up too much. It's just like you decide if you want, a lower aperture or a higher aperture, and then when you roll in and you shoot, it will select the speed according to the light that you have. This is a larger aperture, so it will remain open to capture more light. It's still open. The lens is open, and this is a demonstration. The smaller aperture shows that it needs to be open for a longer time. So this is it. This is a PC port for a flash. This is where batteries are. I'm gonna include the batteries in it. They're new. This is the way you open it, just like a regular 35mm camera. That's how it is inside. See, that's the quality for those people that are collectors. Very good item. You can see the detail on the leather. It's good. It's pretty clean. Very nice camera. A little bit lighter than regular like Canons or Nikon for that time. So here we go. I hope you enjoy it and you get excited about buying this camera. Here you go. Alright, bye.